Hello everybody, it's Wonderbread, and today we're going to be unboxing the My Hero Academia The Amazing Heroes Volume 5. This is the character All Might from the anime My Hero Academia. His quirk, or superpower, the name of it, is One for All. But if you clicked on this video, you probably already know who he is. So let's go ahead and get into this box, That's what you're all here for, anyway. Yes. I'm trying to be careful. I know some people out there really get upset when you mess up the box. So let's just throw that into the background, because that'll be great. Let's see. See a hand. Let's just pull this out. Oh wow, and that's empty, and that's gonna go right over here on the floor. So what it comes in is actually a bag full of different parts. So let's get into this first compartment here. I believe this is his head. Yep, there you go. So what we can do is go ahead and cut this tape. Well, maybe. There you go. There's All Might for you. So let's get him out of here. Ah, beautiful. Alright, well, he comes headless, so let's lay the head down there. Throw the trash over to the side. Let's go ahead and get his chest out of here. This kind of reminds me of a character called Earthworm Jim. Look at him just like that. There you go. So what we can do is actually put his head right here. Push down, maybe. Scared to break his hair. And there you go. Just sits right on through there. And last but not least, the legs, the feet, and the gluteus maximus. As far as I can tell, there's a lot of detail put into this character. Get it in there nice and firm. Oh yeah, that's gonna look great. I think the last two pieces here is this, which goes into the back of his leg, and then the stand. So there's the stand, and this goes right here, I believe. Maybe. Just like that. So as you can see, there's these three holes right here on the bottom. And then there's three pegs, one coming out of his toe and then two coming out of the stand. So what I think is that we can get this one down and push down all at the same time, and then we'll have All Might. Look at that. That's just wonderful. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching today's video. We're going to cut to some B-roll here, and as always, have a great day.
See me rise when all hope seems lost. Don't be afraid, exclaim from the roof.